Today's video is going to be a tutorial using the Just My Look palette from Colourpop, as today, as this video is going up, it is St. Patrick's Day. So clearly, we're going to be doing some green looks. Before we get into playing with this palette, if you're new here, hi, my name is Jackie and welcome to JSanchez Beauty. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave. And with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. I don't know what my hair is doing over here. I don't know. Oh well. Alright, I'm going to start by going in with the shade Kiss My Ass and put that all over the crease. I'm going to just do one eye right now because I'm trying to figure out what the heck I'm doing. I'm going to take the shade, let's just move this. I'm going to take the shade Act Natural and put that a little bit lower in the crease and a little bit into the outer corner and inner corner. I think I'm going to go with the halo eye today. I'm just kind of packing and then taking little tiny windshield wiper motions just to make sure that shade is blended out and not just stuck in one spot. And then just blending whatever else is on the brush into the crease. Alright, let's go in a little more precisely with Bambi on a pencil brush. And get right on the inner and outer corners. I'm kind of doing a similar thing just with a more precise brush where I'm really packing it in that inner and outer corner and then tiny little windshield wiper motions to make sure it's blended out. I'm not being like super harsh with the windshield wiper motions. It's kind of like grazing over top of where that shadow has been placed. That way I'm not losing the pigmentation, but I'm still getting a blend out of it. Really should have touched up my nail polish before I did this, as it is clearly chipped. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna take the shade Big Banks. No. Yes. No. Yes. I'm gonna take the shade Big Banks and put that all over my lid, mainly focusing this on the inner center portion of the lid. But I'm letting it go out a little bit into the inner and outer corners for blending purposes. Alright, let's go in with the shade 50/50 right here. I'm gonna put that on the inner and outer corners. I'm kind of just like patting and then also doing like a little pat sweep kind of motion to blend the two shimmers together. Basically just trying to get that blend without losing the pigment. Just taking a little more of Bambi just to make sure you really see that halo. Very soft though. I'm not doing like a cut crease type halo, just a regular old halo. Going back in with Kiss My Ass just to make sure we're really nice and blended everywhere. Blending till I do all the longest blend. My eye is water. No. Sometimes my eyes water like randomly. It has nothing to do with the eyeshadow palette. It has everything to do with just my eyes being stupid sometimes. Alright, we're going in with Bambi on that lower lash line. Taking it all the way across. And then I'm gonna take Act Natural just to blend that out. Alright, now I'm just going to take a little small brush on the shade Mary Jane. Pop that on the inner corner. I'm going to kind of blend it into the top lid and into the lower lash line a little bit. And also put that right on the brow bone very lightly. Just get a kind of a pop of that yellow, green, gold shade. I feel like I want to put this on top a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna like lightly put this in the center of the lid as well, just to try to bring all that together. I'm like very, very lightly tapping this on the center, back and forth tapping. There we go, that looks a little more cohesive. Did I just cover my eye that whole time? I'm so sorry. I'm the worst. And then I'm just gonna take my Benefit roller liner. I'm not doing a wing, I just want to keep a very thin line. Then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Bambi eye mascara. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and then pop on a lip and be back to wrap this up. Alright, we're back and I applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. I was kind of feeling a deeper brown lip with this look. I don't know why, but I just was. Whatever, it's makeup. If I don't like it later, I'll take it off. Anyways, that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little green eyeshadow tutorial for tonight. St. Patty's Day look, if you're going out and celebrating, have a little party to go to, whatever it is. I always love to go with the green eye. I'll go with any other eyeshadow ever. I love eyeshadow. That's the point of what I'm saying. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to hit that subscribe button on the way out. And you can also follow me on Instagram at JSanchez Beauty. I do post videos here on YouTube every Tuesday and Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, as well as little tutorials every now and then on Instagram. Thank you again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.